students in various categories. First of all, EBSB, Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat and Kala Utsav. Many of our students have been regularly participating in Kala Utsav and they are doing our school proud. संघर्ष से कोई महान नहीं बनता, पत्थर पर घिसकर ही हीरा चमकता है. So students, a big round of applause for all our achievers. Now I welcome on stage Shloka Shivhare, who has achieved 3rd position in Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. Along with all other participants of EBSB and Kala Utsav, Siddhi, Nupur, Vedi, Janil Panara and Rishi Raj. Please come on the stage. If student is not present, the parents can also come on the stage to receive the award. Please come for a photograph, children. Stand there for a photograph. Okay, we have Rishi Raj's father, who is also with us for EBSB. Siddhi. Okay, he has got bronze medal which we have already distributed. But we will be giving it to sir. On behalf of Rishi Raj, his father has come. Now, thank you children. Now the National Youth Parliament. Please come for a photograph, children. Okay, now we move on to the Zonal Youth Parliament. KV Shahibag is the proud winner of the Zonal and Regional Youth Parliament. I call upon the following students: Satyam Singh, Siddhi Yadav, Riddhi Yadav, Aprajita Dubey, Shreya Chatterjee, Shloka Shivhare and Riyanshi Sharma. These are the students who have got the first position in regional level youth parliament and they have been selected to visit the parliament. A big round of applause for them, a very big achievement. They are good. Okay, sorry. The gold medal winners were Satyam, Siddhi, Riddhi and Aprajita. All others will come for a photograph. Okay, these have got the second position in the zonal level. They are the zonal winners. A big round of applause for them. Now I call all the students of Youth Parliament to come on the stage for a photograph. Please come with your medals and certificates. A very big event indeed. Youth Parliament takes months of practice and our students have excelled consecutively in the Youth Parliament. Now, I call upon our requested chief guest to also hand over the trophy to the zonal winners and request the teachers concerned, Jha sir, Nilima madam, Narinder Jassal sir, Viral sir, who were instrumental in getting this trophy for our students. And Riyanshi Sharma's father is also present. I would request him, sir, to please come on the stage. A big round of applause. And I request all of you to please smile for a good photograph. Academic foundation is sure to make a person successful. कहते हैं विद्या धनम सर्व धनम प्रदानम, अर्थात विद्या से बड़ा कोई धन नहीं है. Now is the time to acknowledge our top academic achievers who have proved that sincerity and hard work is the only key to success. I will begin with the class 10th toppers of 2021-22. Rohan Ramprakash Shukla stood first in class 10 in 2021-22. If Rohan is not here, I would request his father to come and accept the medal, the trophy of excellence. Next I call Sridhar Shailesh Kumar Joshi, who secured 96.2% in 2022-23 and was first position holder in class 10. Please come, Sridhar. You deserve a trophy. Next I call upon Kothari Chaitya with 95.8%, 2023-24 winner and first position in class 10. Now, welcoming the toppers of class 12, 2021-22, I call Vishesha Parmar from Science, who scored 97% and was the first position holder in class 12 Science. Dear audience, please give them a big round of applause. A very big achievement. Imagine the percentage, 97%. Next we have Sojia Aryan with 98.2%, topper in commerce. And in humanities, Dave Hani Jaykumar with 95.8%. Please come on the stage. Now I invite academic toppers of class 12, 2022-23. Virendra Ramakant Yadav, Science with 95.2%. Jain Rhythm Rakesh, Humanities 94.8%. Now coming to the recent year 2023-24. Rohan Shukla, Science 96.6%, class 12 Science stream topper. Rhythm is coming. Rhythm, please come. Dave Heni is also coming. Please come. Yashvi Himani, 96.4%, first position in class 12 Humanities stream. All students have done our school proud and we are really, really proud of their achievement. A big round of applause, students, maybe, and parents. Maybe your student is standing here one of these years. That is what we should aim for. These are our academic toppers. Dave Heni, Humanities. Year 21-22. Next is Rhythm Rakesh, Humanities 22-23. Coming up, she's Rhythm here. A big round of applause for her. Coming up, we have Yashvi Himani, who has been the Humanities topper in 2023-24. Dear parents and guests, your applause should not stop. Moving on to the next segment, we come to the student achievers and our alumni. We have a strong and capable alumni base. I call upon Rohan Shukla of Science stream. We are proud to tell you that he has got selected in IIT Bombay in 2023-24. Please give him a big round of applause. Next we have Prachi Rao, who could not be here today. She has passed NEET. Cadet Vaibhav Chaube also could not be present. Janvi Ganawat of Commerce got selected for IIM Rohtak. Misha Ramprakash Shukla of Science passed NEET. Nidhi, Tanish, Tariq Joy, Pinal Rathore, Divyanshi and Krinal. All these students have cleared NEET and we are very, very proud of them. Please give them a big round of applause. it is extremely wonderful that parents have also taken the effort to come and collect the top trophy on behalf of their children who could not be here. Please don't let the applause stop. Everybody, please give a big round of applause to our top achievers and our alumni. Dear students in the gathering, imagine the achievement and imagine you being here one day. So please give them a big round of applause. Somebody else will be clapping for you one day. किसी ने शिक्षक से पूछा, क्या करते हो आप? शिक्षक ने कुछ यूं कहा, सुंदर सुर सजा के मैं साज बनाता हूँ, नौसिखिए परिंदों को बाज बनाता हूँ, चुपचाप सुनता हूँ शिकायतें सबकी, तब दुनिया बदलने की आवाज़ बनाता हूँ। समंदर तो परखता है हौसले कश्तियों के, और मैं डूबती कश्तियों को जहाज बनाता हूँ। बनाए चाहे चांद पर कोई बुर्ज खलीफा, अरे मैं तो कच्ची ईंटों से ही ताज बनाता हूँ। Now on this note, I welcome our teachers who have given exceptional result on the stage. I welcome first Padam Bhushan sir for maths. They have given excellent PI, 70.6 and 100% result in CBSE. Also for maths basics, sir has given 100% result. Next, प्रेरणा झा, मंजू कादियान, वत्सला अग्निहोत्री, बिंदु पानीकर, किरण कुमार sir, all these have given excellent results in class 10. Aditi Agarwal.
Now I would like to call Narendra Singh Jassal, Dinesh Gehlot sir, Nitin Kumar Bateria, Subali Chauhan, Nilima ma'am, Ram Narayan sir, Dr. Uday Kumar Jha, Ashwin Modi for the giving an excellent result in class 12.
A big round of applause for our teachers who have worked tirelessly to give such an amazing result and such a high PI. Sorry. Being a science teacher, I often make such mistakes. Vatsala madam, she is retired now after giving an excellent result. Dinesh Gehlot sir, कहाँ लिखा? अच्छा अच्छा। Three students were also excellent in academics. I will call them Shloka Shivhare and Vedika Shivhare are among the only top 2 teams who have qualified for the marathon, science marathon. And I call them Shloka Vedika along with IOQM medalist Trisha Jha. Please come on the stage and take your gold trophies.